Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to limit screen time on TikTok. To add a screen time break, tap Profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Screen Time. Then tap Screen Time Breaks. Follow the steps in the app to schedule or edit a screen time break. To turn screen time breaks off, follow the steps above, then tap Off. If you reach your limit, you'll be notified in the app to consider taking a break. Tap OK to dismiss the notification. You won't be reminded again until your next app visit. Tap Snooze to restart the timer and remind you again in 10 minutes. Tap Edit Reminders to change the screen time break schedule or turn it off. That's it. Thanks for watching.